Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn how to post a new job in HuntMe web platform. So on the dashboard on the left side, you go to the section post the job. And in this video, you're gonna see the form you need to fill up. So first one is the company's name. The platform is gonna take your company name from your profile and put it on the first cell. So you don't need to change or do anything. The second one is the job title. If you go here, you will have a list. You can choose one job title from here, or you can just type the job title you need, and the platform is going to show you the variations. So fleet specialist, right? I choose this one. As soon as you choose the job title, the platform is going to automatically fill up the other cells for you, but you can change the things that you don't like or you don't want to be different, right? So the third one is the anonymous. Some companies, they don't want to show the company name on their posts, so you can just click here, and then the platform is not gonna it will hide your company name in your job post. So the location, it's simple. You choose one of the listed locations, right? And then salary is also simple. The platform is going to show you the preferred salary to this position, but you can easily change it from the list if you want to give more or less. You will choose one of them, right? And key skills. So the platform is going to show you the key skills that are needed to this position, but you can add something here, right? For example, responsibility, right? You can add, or you can take off the ones that you don't need, right? Like this. So the next one is required languages, right? The English is the automatically the main one, and you can add the other languages, Uzbek, for example, and Russian. Responsibilities also, you can edit this one. So automatically to be defined based on the role requirements, you add this one. And if you want to add more, you just type the responsibility that you need and click the add button. Work type is also simple: remote, on-site, or hybrid. And then the preferred gender is also simple: female, male, and unspecified. Job title. So here's the thing. We have two different job titles, job types. For first one is regular or the premium. What is the difference between them? So the difference is, if you choose the regular one, you will sort out the leads. I mean, the specialist will text you on the platform, and you will talk to them personally. But if you choose the premium job title, you don't need to talk to everyone personally. The platform, the AI will do it for you. It will talk to people and then sort out the ones that you're not gonna like. I mean, that are not fits your requirements, right? And only gives you the ones who fit your requirements. And with only few ones, you will talk personally and set up interview with them. So this is the difference. All right, so this is the end. You just click on publish button, or if you want to preview your job post, how it looks on the website, you just click on the preview button. And if you like it, you just go to publish. Or here is another thing. Here's the section previously created jobs. So these are the jobs that you have created already, but they're not active. You want to change little things, maybe the salary, maybe the responsibilities, some of them, right? You just go to repost the job, and then make additions, and then just publish it like this. As soon as you publish a job, the platform will lead you to the window My Vacancies, and the first one here on top one is the one that you have just created. You just go to the payment methods. We have Click and the Stripe. Click is for Uzbekistani soaps, and the Stripe if you wanna pay by the Visa card. All right. So this is the end. Thank you for your attention, everyone. We'll be waiting for you in our platform.